Farmers in one quiet rural community in St. Andrew are worried that they'll lose all their coffee as the only road to their fields has been impassable since the earthquake. But the brave men and women have found a very dangerous way to get to the other side. Jamaica Maitland has their story.
Welcome to Westphalia, a remote farming community in deep rural St. Andrew. Majestic, it's one of the highest points in Jamaica, next to the Blue Mountain. It's why residents here feel as if they were worst hit by Monday's earthquake.
After the earthquake, we were a big tear, look, it was this. So while coming from the farm, a lot of us, and when I go over there, I know they traumatized, I just dropped down over there, so we were so afraid.
Believe it or not, it's an actual roadway. It's the only path that leads to coffee farms here in Westphalia. Now, farmers told us that it has been blocked since Monday's earthquake. Watch as this brave farmer skillfully comes down the steep mountainside, guys, with coffee on his head. It's what they've been doing since about yesterday when the earthquake happened, but they're hoping that the roadway can be cleared, so at least they'll be able to do it as smooth as possible.
I go a bush check where I go and when I go in there, I coffee when I see in the way drop off a ground in there. See every road now open. I tell the farmer have a lot of loads and I can tell you millions of dollars in the vehicle, in the bike, we have to carry people back and forward in the black up so we can go. So
Ewan Bryan is among the dozens of coffee farmers marooned from their field. Beyond the slippage is another slippage, and then his farm. And although he skillfully crossed the slippery slope, others say they're not risking it. One misstep and it could be fatal.
I go over the brook yesterday. My God, I'm not crossing it, but to go over from my farm. Coffee over there, I drop off a tree. Coffee over there, pick and put down to come over. But I'm not crossing it.
Neither was I, but our videographer did. Bags of coffee tied up, ready to be transported, but no safe way to do it.
Went to the farm from Monday to Friday, sometimes Saturday. Friday we pick up produce to go to the market. Saturday, Wednesday we look produce to go to the market, and Thursday. Right now, Thursday coming, I don't know it will go because we can't cross it.
The coffee farmers are worried. They already pay $8,000 for what they believe is at least a $10,000 box. Now they fear they could lose all of it. But there may be hope. While their TVJ News observed a tractor, the operator told us that he was sent by the office of the Member of Parliament, Juliet Holness. Now it's a race against time to see whether the farmers could get to their fields in time for Thursday. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.